Hey everybody, it's Chad for you here again at Holiday Motors. Today with this 2020 F-150 Lariat that we just got in. This is a four-wheel drive truck. It's a local Virginia one owner. It does have the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. It is clean history report, accident free. Looks to be all original paint on it. Very little to no road rash on the front of this thing. Couple little specks right there. So that's pretty strong. 132,000 miles on it. It runs and drives perfect. And again, it's from Virginia, so it's rust free, beautiful and clean underneath of it. No leaks, no problems. Nice set of matching tires on it all the way around it. As you can see, it does have the sensors here for the lane changing, and then it has the cameras underneath of here for the 360 view when you put it in reverse. So nice and clean underneath. Already has the nice hard tonneau cover on it. All the wheels are in great shape. Of course, the backup proximity sensors, backup camera. It has the, let me see if I have the key, I do. It has the remote tailgate, pretty cool. That's remote start. Already has the spray and liner. And then we have the step here for the back, as well as the nice handle there, so it makes it easy to get in and out of the bed. Power sliding rear window, and this does have the power running boards. So super clean truck. Of course, memory driver's seat, power folding mirrors, and that seat is in excellent condition. So very well taken care of truck. No sunroof. Power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power adjustable pedals. 132,777 on it currently. Nice Bluetooth stereo system. Does have the trailer backup option with the power assist brakes. Of course, your touchscreen, navigation, audio, satellite radio, driver and passenger side climate controls, heated steering wheel, navigation, just loaded up, all the stuff on it. And I've got the cooled seat on now, and it is working very well. Another power source down there in the bottom. It's up here in this corner. Owner's manual in the glove box. Of course, these trucks have a ton of space in this Supercrew. Back seat, super comfortable. Lots of room. This even has rear heated seats, rear power sources. Center armrest with the cup holders. And then these seats fold up if you ever need that kind of cargo space. Both sides do. And again, that 3.5 EcoBoost. Runs perfect, nice and smooth. Transmission shifts perfectly just like it's supposed to. Four-wheel drive engages. So no apologies on it. I'm getting ready to run it down and have it inspected. Just had the oil changed on it. and she will be ready to go by the time this video hits. So right here, Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com, where you can also find the history report to this vehicle and the application for credit. We can also help arrange for shipping and delivery, and always top dollar for your trades. So give us a call, let us know how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching as always, and look forward to hearing from you.